Welcome to the SSB outlet. Today we have a 2007 Victory Kingpin. This touring bike has 20,500 miles on it roughly and will be sold as is. So let's walk around it, show it to you, then we'll fire it up. This bike has been tipped over on the right hand side. Got a little damage there on the front fender, a little bit there on the lower air deflector with a clear windscreen. You've got just a little damage here on the mirror and lever. This comes with footboards for the driver, footboards for the passenger, Victory Performance exhaust, saddlebags, a passenger backrest and tour pack, back tire decent shape, got a little spot there on the top of the saddlebag, and again footboards for both the passenger and the driver, and then again the lower air deflectors with our clear windscreen. Front tire too looks in pretty good shape. Alright, show you those miles now. $20,477 is what's on it. This 2007 Victory Kingpin will be sold as is. Thank you for shopping the SSB outlet.